Everyone in this town swears they've never heard the sound, but they all flinch when it happens. I moved to a small mountain town for the quiet, but every night around 10:14 p.m., I hear this deep, drawn-out groaning sound from the trees. Not an animal, not wind, more like metal bending underwater. I mentioned it to my neighbor once. He froze, blinking too fast. Then he said, "We don't talk about that noise." Flat, practiced. I started paying attention. Every night at 10:14, people here stop mid-step. Everyone. Even if they're alone. Even if they pretend not to hear it. A few nights ago, I followed the sound deeper into the pines than I meant to. The trees grew thinner, then stopped entirely. At the center of a clearing was a shape standing perfectly still. Tall, smooth, almost reflective. Not moving, just listening. The second I stepped on a twig, it turned toward me. No eyes, no features. Just the sense that it was focusing. The groaning stopped instantly. And the next morning, my neighbor knocked on my door, asked if I'd slept well, but said my name before I even introduced myself. Now he watches my house at exactly 10:14 every night, like he's making sure I don't go back out there.